Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you join us on our last full night here in Pattaya, Thailand. We're actually in Jomtien, just down from Pattaya. We're at a beer bar complex, but at the top there's this thing called a mukatar. Now a mukatar is a Thai way of going out and dining. You get basically a bucket of hot coals with a cone on top of it, and you cook your meats on top of that. Around the outside is a trough where they put like a broth, kind of like a soup broth type of thing, where you can boil noodles and things like that in it. And that's what we're going to do tonight. So join us for a mukatar. And like I say, we're at a beer bar complex. So these are all just little beer bars all the way up. But the mukatar is right at the very end there. And you can see how big the bars actually are. There's one, there's two, there's three. So there's actually 3 bars just in that line there. And there's another 3 on the other side. There's another 3. Actually, yeah, 3 on this side too. So yeah, beer bars. And I know all bars serve beer, but that's just what they call them here. So it's to differentiate between like a beer bar or go-go, where you see the girls with the boobies out, or oh, Tan's found a friend. It's Tan's birthday today, but yeah, to differentiate between the booby bars, the go-go's, and the gentlemen's clubs. I believe this is who's dining with us tonight. They say it's Tan's birthday, and this is Tan and Gordon's friends. So this is the mukatar here. It's an all you can eat, so you just keep going back, getting your veg, your noodles, your meats, etc., and cooking them yourself. So basically this gets filled with a bucket of coals, goes in there, this goes on top. You cook on that bit there, and you get a broth, which is in that kettle, goes around the outside for cooking your noodles and stuff like that in. There's all the sauces. Fellow vlogger over there, look, vlogging with his GoPro. Anyhow, so you got garlics, chilies, red peppers, garlic breads, waffles, chicken hot dogs, soups and curries, noodles, all the stuff to go into the noodles, mussels, rice, and you've got fresh fruits. That's it, it's all you can eat. All this is all fresh fruits, veg, eggs, green stuff, tan, noodles, more veg noodles, and then you have all different types of meat. That one looks awful, awful, get it? No, more meats. More meats, more meats. So there you go, you just pick what you want, take it back to your table and cook away. The aftermath. The birthday girl's still going.
Thailand gifted forever.
What's going on? This is what's going on. Good job, it's not epileptic. Tan, the strippers are coming now. So there you go, folks, that is the Thailand Mookata. Eat the way the Thais do. Anywho, hope you enjoyed this. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, comment, do all that good stuff. Find me on Instagram, TerryTracker, and find me on Facebook, TerryTracker. And go and like and comment and follow those pages too. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. That means go do all them things I've just told you to do.